Ó tún ti di Gbos. Arọ ni Òwálé Oníkòyí òsinmi ogun. Mama Èsãbõd àti Lizzy Anjorin Ọlọ́run ló mọ ìjọ́ tí gbogbo wàhálà àti Gbas tó wà láàrin wọn tó máa tó stop o. Mama Èsãbõd tún ti jáde síta tó tún fáyà Lizzy Anjorin back to back. Ó kó fún tán ní wọ̀tọ̀wọ̀tọ̀. Ẹ wò ó, mo kò wá fún yín lóní rẹpẹtẹ gan ni. Ẹ gbádùn fídíò yìí dáadáa nítorí rẹ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ fínfín. Bákan náà, Ashabi Simple, aya Portable, baby mama Portable ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kẹrin, òun náà ti fún Portable lésì ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ o. Ṣé gbàgbé wípé Ashabi Simple àti Portable wọ́n ń drag ara wọn lórí íńtánẹ́ẹ̀tì. Ashabi Simple náà ti fún Portable lésì ọ̀rọ̀. Kí ni Ashabi Simple kí ló wí, kí ló sọ sí Portable, gbogbo ẹ̀ pátápátá lẹ́ láǹfààní láti gbọ́ nínú fídíò yìí. Tó bá jẹ́ gbà àkọ́kọ́ rèé tẹ̀ ń darapọ̀ mọ́ mi lórí ìkànnì yìí, ẹ máa wá ń kílìkì lórí subscribe button, ẹ bá ń like ẹ bá ń share, ẹ wá máa drop comment yín sábẹ́ comment section fídíò yìí. ń tẹ́ ẹ bá rí sí tó bá wà lókàn ọkàn yín, ó yá ẹ jẹ́ kájọ máa takùrọ̀sọ lábẹ́ comment section. Ẹ jẹ́ àjọ dókè lọ́hùn náà.
Ó máa lọ sí Canada àti America, mọ́mọ́ disappoint mi torí fídíò yẹn ó rìn nǹkan táwọn èèyàn kàn gbé kan fi sọ mí lẹ́nu. Ashabi ló lè dáyé kinní kan, èmi ò rìn ẹ́ létí gbawó ní ọ̀sẹ̀ parí. I give you Sunday, Saturday ló yẹ kó yẹ pé mo fẹ́ Sunday. Ó gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe fídíò. Àwọn bísí ò dá, wọ́n lọ ń gbé mọ́tò mi tó ti dáàbò tẹ̀. Ó wá sọ mí lẹ́yìn lórúkọ. Fídíò yẹn wá lọ gan lórí TikTok. Ashabi tó sọ́dún mi gan ní mi ò lè lọ London, mi lè kọ́kàndà mo ní yẹ láyé tèmi bá mi. Ó mọ̀ pé Ashabi ní mí ibi. Ó mọ̀ pé iṣẹ́ tí mò ń ṣe ṣáàrí tí mo fi kọ́ orí bẹ́ẹ̀rẹ̀ tí máa ń ṣe àwọn special prayer kan mo máa ń lò wọ́n. Ó rí pé ṣòtìrì ọlọ́gbọ́n ló lè yìí, ọmọrun ò lè mọ̀ díẹ̀ bí ṣe wà yẹn. Tí daughter before Akànjálè wíìkì ló wà sọ pé ó máa lọ sí Canada àti America, mọ́mọ́ disappoint mi torí fídíò yẹn ó rìn nǹkan táwọn èèyàn kàn gbé kan fi sọ mí lẹ́nu. Ashabi ló lè dáyé kinní kan, èmi ò rìn ẹ́ létí gbawó ní ọ̀sẹ̀ parí. I give you Sunday, Saturday ló yẹ kó yẹ pé mo fẹ́ Sunday. Ó gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe fídíò. Àwọn bísí ò dá, wọ́n lọ ń gbé mọ́tò mi tó ti dáàbò tẹ̀. Ó wá sọ mí lẹ́yìn lórúkọ. Fídíò yẹn wá lọ gan lórí TikTok. Ashabi tó sọ́dún mi gan ní mi ò lè lọ London, mi lè kọ́kàndà mo ní yẹ láyé tèmi bá mi. Ó mọ̀ pé Ashabi ní mí ibi. Ó mọ̀ pé iṣẹ́ tí mò ń ṣe ṣáàrí tí mo fi kọ́ orí bẹ́ẹ̀rẹ̀ tí máa ń ṣe àwọn special prayer kan mo máa ń lò wọ́n. Ó rí pé ṣòtìrì ọlọ́gbọ́n ló lè yìí, ọmọrun ò lè mọ̀ díẹ̀ bí ṣe wà yẹn. Tí
Laughing to you. Do you know what pained me past? The most painful part about this movie I dropped is that I sold my car. Emi, want to more ni ginger me. And let me tell you one story. This is what happened. But me, tamoto yen pe mo fe fi film. I told you that I want to buy another one. So my dad was not like, fi o ba so fun ẹni tó gbé sílé, ó máa dàbí gbéraga ni o. So you need to tell him. And I called him. He was not in Nigeria then. Like, babe, mo fẹ́ ra mọ́tò, kí ni kan mo ti ní bá yìí o, ṣe máa ń fowó or something. He was not like, my ra mọ́tò fine, I'm not worried. Lọ fowó ẹ̀ ṣe nǹkan mi. And this is me that nǹkan tí mo mọ̀ ṣe jù. What I know how best to do. Kí ló dé 400? Kí ló ṣe? What I know how best to do is make movie. I love film. And tó bá wo part 1 film mi, tí o bá ti understand, wait for 2. I don't do stupid things. If you watch my movie, you must learn. It's a must. Even if you did not concentrate, you must learn. That is it. Okay. This person said, my Ramoto fine. I have to obey. So I have to. And I call my director like, Olashin, thank you. I call my director like, Papi, story cafe young baby. You don't pay over no jackaya. Okay, mo ti lowo kan tó súnmọ́ o. Then I have 4 million. Kí n má ra mọ́tò ló gbé mi sílẹ̀ o. Ó ṣe lówó ní pé kò tí sanwó rí ẹgbẹ́ mi sílẹ̀. if you like. Some people might be like, Moyi, what is that? This is me that I've always struggled to make it, to do things. I've seen people married and unmarried. I've seen people that only go look I've seen people that only number one, so he's a fame booster. My name is Ashabi Simple. I've been saying that for a long time. Even before my man came to limelight, I've been saying my name is Ashabi Simple. And God good to recognize me even before this person came to limelight. I've seen a lot of celebrities. I see celebrities every day. That is who Ashabi Simple is. So if someone said, do you want to feel language? I said, did I look like someone that married a rich man? I am me, hustling for my life, struggling for my life. I have accepted this person as my part of life. Marriage isn't part of my own thinking, part of what he wants me. And I have to manage the both. You can't have it all. Do you understand that? So, fine, everybody is a user. But just make sure that the person using you is actually useful to you. But the fact is that it can't even be rosy all the time. I'm not blaming myself. Dropping a movie on your son, I am not in the position to tell them when to drop the movie. Do you get? So that is aside. So I'm not in position to tell them. They are in position to tell me that I'll drop by. And that I want you to one side see me. I pick a significant date that suits me to be and pray towards it. So I don't joke with my career. Movie what's that? Millions of money. Most people develop a trade in their mind because of the choice of person I give birth to. And get birth for. And the fact is that you can't have it all. And what will be. Èèyàn tó decent jù mí lọ gan wọ́n lọ ilé ọkọ tó padà ẹlòmíì jẹ́ decent jù mí lọ tí ò tí ì rí ilé ọkọ lọ. It might not be an achievement, but it is part of life. And now I am blessed in so many ways. But to be blessed more, I need to keep working. Before now, let me say something. Some people might be in my shoe, so I won't say this. But I love love. Love, go. I love being in love. In fact, if it's more love, love it. Kin fenyo to ti marry. Because more love go. I love like this is my man. Call me. So I'm just trying to reduce all that. Do you understand? I'm trying to reduce the love. Immediately I got pregnant. I was like, Ashabi, you love you. It's not necessary. When it's not easy. Because that's help. Love is not something you just say, I don't want to love like that, and you don't love it. Only the second if I'm bad, the boy command. It's not about love. It's just like, I swear, I just say, I'm sure you get that, I can't leave him, and I'm not living by God's grace. I'm sure you get that, you know, he's okay. So whenever I see someone and said, sure you are not love at home, I'll be like, I'm not love at home, okay? Money baba. You have me the corner, baba me fair. You should know, after my fashion was local, you see that my people are always around me. We love each other, not having Ashabi before anything. Ashabi Simple. Okay. But the fact is that, alhamdulillah. Thank God. I'm love at home, yeah. And I have to build a lovely home as well. Do you know? Someone said, why did you fall for him, if not for his money? Ashabi Simple. I will say it categorically that I've made my first first millions before I know him. That's one. And this is not the first time I'm saying it. Secondly, I've been a producer before I know him. Thirdly, Gogo have recognized my name as Ashabi Simple before I know him. I've loved him for I see. I spoke for 6 months in glory because I was not planning to date him. I was not even planning to date him. But I can't. I have peace, so I have peace. I have peace, so the only peace the only peace I did not have is when we are fighting. I have peace, so you any problem like me. The major reason I'm doing this video is because of my movie. They mean God forbid. I don't pray so and it won't happen. I'm not living in my whole life. God forbid. God will help me. God will help me. But please watch my movie. I'm okay. At the moment. Will I lose again? Will I? I don't want to. God should just help me. I'm so scared. Ultimately, accounts. Okay, I spent when producing this movie is 6 million naira. Ultimately, accounts. Someone advised me to do movie launching. You can say if you read there no way. I spent $1 million. Hall, everything. More 2.5 million. Okay, I was about to jump on anything about feeling. I was like, Mama, damn. And it's not that I have this money like this kishio. I would go jalamba, struggling with my head. Struggling with my head. And thank God, okay, Allah can feel me. He has never disappointed me, God. And he will never. I am the first child of my family. Even though they are not depending on me. Everybody are struggling for themselves. I have to be a sister. Yeah. Oh, no. I really don't know what I want. I will not jeopardize that for anything. I intentionally put him on my head like this. In fact, that thing that you people said, you put him for head, you carry him for head, you love him, walai, what's him to me? Can it pay? I did double for a double man. When we say, no be your color quite born for. When we say, na my wife. Emma mom, don't like I'm a lady that I love so hard. So if you're my mom coming up, I'll even before I post once, I would have put like 100 on my head. So when I see people that said, that was a local wife, I was like, she go now. Oh, new brain. But I am not losing myself. I'm not losing myself. I've seen so many things. But alhamdulillah, Capricorn and Jamie. But I'll change, I swear. I'll change for good. Even though it's painful. She's stronger. I'll not talk to you. I'm not shaking on you. I was like, I don't want to talk to him. I don't want him to feel like I'm weak. But I'll still try. I swear. I'll try. I'll try. Don't worry. I'm going to change for good. This guy watch that with you on YouTube. Go funny, oh. Walai, muleke. Mutezike da go. That is not showing on YouTube. Tell a friend to tell a friend. You can even post it on your WhatsApp. Even though you do not like me. You don't necessarily like me. Just feel like Tabasha Abumasha comments. The Shiman comments in Tabatimoni. Echo Shimika comments. Post it on your WhatsApp. Someone might watch from you. You might even post it like someone will not watch. Someone might watch.